Aravan-sized creature that lived in southern Germany 150 million years ago really was the missing link between dinosaurs and birds, according to new research. And the iconic Archaeopteryx could have evolved into several different types of species on the tiny islands that dotted the primordial Mediterranean. This would have been a Jurassic version of Darwin's finches, with distinctive varieties of that bird emerging on the Galápagos Islands. Archaeopteryx has been at the center of a debate ever since it was first discovered more than 150 years ago. Some scientists insist it was just another feathered dinosaur and others say it was the first bird. Now an analysis of the oldest and most complete specimen ever found has shed fresh light on the enigmatic animal and found it was somewhere in between. The discovery in what is now Northern Bavaria adds to growing evidence dinosaurs actually did evolve into our feathered friends. The latest fossil allowed paleontologists to reliably distinguish Archaeopteryx from its closest relatives. These include the most fearsome theropod dinosaurs such as T-Rex and Velociraptor, along with basal birds near the bottom of the evolutionary chain. Notably, it also exhibited features that were so far not known from the remains of the other 10 that have so far been dug up. Professor Oliver Rauhut of Ludwig Maximilian University of Munich said, among other things, they reveal Archaeopteryx was very similar to advanced predatory dinosaurs in many respects. It had jaws with sharp teeth and 3 fingers with killing claws. The study published in Peerage will provide a new diagnostic key for differentiating bird-like dinosaurs from their closest relatives. This will be vital as a whole series of such predatory reptiles had been described in recent years, mainly from China. It has greatly complicated the taxonomical classification of the group, explained Prof Rauhut. The new fossil was unearthed in 2010, but it is the first time it has been extensively examined. Analysis of the rock formation has confirmed it is the earliest known representative of the genus and may have been one of several different species. Prof Rauhut, who is also based at the Bavarian State Collections of Paleontology and Geology in Munich, said, "Specimens of Archaeopteryx are now known from 3 distinct rock units, which together cover a period of approximately 1 million years. His investigation also demonstrated these spanned a remarkable range of anatomical differences. This reduced the number of fossils to 11, although some doubts remain concerning the assignment of 2 of these. Prof Rauhut said this underlines the necessity for a diagnosis to clearly identify Archaeopteryx. With its blend of avian and reptilian features, it was long viewed as the earliest known bird. It is sometimes referred to as Urvogel, the German word for original bird or first bird. Based on its wings and feathers, scientists believe Archaeopteryx likely had some aerodynamic abilities. Previous research has suggested its feathers were light color, possibly even white, with black tips. It was a carnivore and may have eaten small reptiles, amphibians, mammals, and insects. It likely seized small prey with just its jaws and may have used them to help pin larger prey.